Napapanahon na para maging batas ang panukalang Anti-Political Dynasty Bill base sa pananaw ng Commission on Elections sa COMELEC. Layo nito na mawakasan ang pagkakaroon ng magkakamag-anak sa mga posisyon sa gobyerno. Kahapon, tinalakay sa isinagawang Senate Committee hearing ang mga nararapat pang linawin at idagdag ng komite para mas mapaganda at maging matibay ang naturang panukalang batas bago ito maaprubahan kay Pangulong Ferdinand Marcos Jr. Ayon kay dating COMELEC Chairman at member ng 1986 Constitutional Commission, Attorney Christian Monson, dapat kabilang sa isama sa Anti-Political Dynasty Bill ang degree ng relationship.
Talagang ang purpose talaga po siguro ng hearing na ito, tsaka yung inattenda nating lahat sa House of Representatives is really to define what is political dynasty. Simply because there is no more issue as regards dapat bang ipasa o hindi. Ang anti-political dynasty, dapat na dapat po.
If you take a look at the proposals, it goes down to 2 degrees. Also, it does not include national positions, nor does it include barangays. Thirdly, if you look at the proposals, there is a provision in one of the proposals that if this takes into effect, once this takes into effect, those who are already sitting in positions are allowed to finish the term. In other words, if somebody is sitting there on with the first term, and this takes effect, then that person or dynasty person can run for 2 more for 6 years. I don't think that's a good provision